There you go, right there. Those are the tracksuits of Bafana Bafana. There they are. Ronwen Williams is the first one that we're seeing peak there. Bafana Bafana have arrived, ladies and gentlemen. They're on their way through, and we're seeing them. I'm pretty sure that was Ronnie that I saw there. Just behind what the security contingent is there and the police. If you see that hair, if you see that visual there, the tall player, that's Ronwen Williams. So the players have arrived. They're going to be making their way through. That's their gathering point at the moment. And I think that could be Sailor Mudau there as well on your left there, speaking with the officials there. So Sailor we can see, Ronwen we can see. They have arrived. They're going to be making their way through there. And my eyes aren't that great. Yaz and Kurama specs, so I can't see all that far. But I can see Ronwen. I can see what looks like a Sailor Mudau. That's where the players have gathered in. We'll be seeing a lot more as they collect their bags and come through. This crowd has already been told that the players are here. The noise is being made. Ronwen Williams was one of the names that everybody said they were anticipating, they want to see. The captain who in this World Cup made history. 77 touches and direct passes, positive passes out of his box, out is what he did. And that is what got him the record. No goalkeeper in the history of the World Cup has ever been able to do that. Ronwen Williams was able to do that. Of course, he was a goalkeeper for 90 minutes of all 4 games. So is Sailor, who played all 4 games as well. We are getting glimpses of the players now. They are coming through. They do need to get briefed, and I'm sure that's happened now. So from this point onwards, they'll be making their way through the doors, and we'll be seeing them coming out here as well.
And good. You are going to the front. Bafana. Welcome back, welcome back.
Dumelang. Ninja Anilap. I'm not gonna speak about the passes and the history that I made. I want to say to South Africa, to you guys that are here, to the people that's back home, that's in work now, thank you. Kyalibucha, thank you for the support. We saw the love, the well wishes, the prayers, and you guys waking up in the middle of the night, singing, dancing, celebrating. You've done that for the team, and we just wanted to go out there and leave our all and give our all for you guys. Thank you so much for what you guys have done for this team. You guys have united a country. Let us keep going as a team and as a country.
Outside here at OR Tambo, of course, morning live. My name is Tawakala from the Sports Desk. We're outside here, of course, at OR Tambo. And of course, we're joined by someone who is soon to be, but I don't know when that's going to be happening. Of course, she's going to be telling us all about that. She goes by the name of Dominic Pretorius. How are you, ma'am?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Now, I want to tell the people why I say soon to be. Soon to be Mrs. who?
Cross.
Oh, soon to be Mrs. Cross, of course. It is the fiancé of Bradley Cross joining us here. So, can you tell us how you feel about his particular journey that side? How's the text gone in between, like, his journey with Bafana at the World Cup?
Shame. I was very excited for him. He deserved it. It was an amazing opportunity. We're proud of him on the pitch and off the pitch. And yeah.
And also, in particular, just looking at the pressures that Bafana Bafana was dealing with that side and the pride and the support they've been getting. How did it feel as a family for all of you to just see what Bradley is doing?
No, we're so proud of him and we're so grateful for all the support that we get from everyone. We receive so much love from Instagram and Facebook and everywhere. Even if we just go out, it's like, well done, keep going. So yeah, we're really, really proud of him and thankful for the support.
And